Hey guys, in this video, we're going to compare Adguard, Pihole, and Blocky. Adguard, Pihole, and Blocky are all DNS-based blockers that help filter out ads, trackers, and malicious content, but they each work differently and are better suited to different users. Adguard is the most beginner-friendly of the three. It offers both an app-based and DNS-based solution, meaning you can just install it on your device or router and start blocking ads right away. It comes with an easy-to-use interface, advanced filtering options, parental controls, and it even blocks ads inside apps. It's ideal for people who want great protection without dealing with technical setups. Pihole is a self-hosted network-wide ad blocker. It's powerful and customizable, but it does require some technical knowledge. You install it on a device like a Raspberry Pi or a server, and it will block ads for every device connected to your network. It doesn't block YouTube ads or in-app ads directly, but is highly configurable and completely free and open source. It's a great option if you're comfortable with a bit of DIY and want full control over your filtering. Blocky is a newer DNS-based ad blocker written in Go. It's designed to be fast, efficient, and modern. Like Pihole, it's self-hosted and works at the DNS level, but it's lighter and easier to set up for advanced users who want something lean and minimal. It also supports DOH and DOT and is especially useful for those running their own home lab or server setup. So if you want something simple and polished, Adguard is best. If you're a power user who loves open source tools and custom control, Pihole is the way to go. And if you prefer something lightweight, efficient, and newer, Blocky is a solid alternative. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.